I made $655 in sales working part-time this week. Watch the rest of the video to see what sold. Hey friends, my name is Hazel and I hope you're having a wonderful week. I'm a part-time reseller. I primarily resell on Poshmark and eBay, and this is a what sold video for November 9th through the 15th. So I like to show my listings because I feel a big part of what sells the items are the pictures. And if you notice, my description is pretty basic. I use a template that helps make me list faster, as well as bring a type of consistency to all my stores. Okay, so let's get to it. For this week, I had 655 in sales, which is 501 in profit. And that's 17 sales, 13 of which were on Poshmark, 3 on eBay, and I even had 1 sale on Mercari. So I'm not going to show all my sales, just pretty much the higher level ones so you can have a bolo. I usually use Mercari as a way to get rid of stuff from my home. So Mercari usually just has personal items, not things I unnecessarily pick up to sell. So 655 in sales with 17 sales comes out to be $29.47 average sales price. So this is how much I sold each item for. Cost of goods are still included, as well as platform fees in that average sales price. So some trends I noticed this week in my sales. I sold a couple of vintage tees, and North Face was a really big brand for me. So the first thing to sell for me for this week was a Texas vintage tee, and there was a bit of embroidery as well as fading, and it sold for an offer of $30. I actually offered the buyer with discounted shipping. Next, I sold this Sundry top, and Sundry actually goes for a little bit more for me, but there was a stain that I disclosed. I really like picking up this brand. It does pretty well and it sells fast. I sold this for a customer. No, I offered the customer $25 and discounted shipping, and she accepted, as well as left a nice love note. So this Grinch shirt, I accepted a customer offer of $15. My cost of goods was $0. I received this from a porch pickup. So for this North Face fleece jacket, I had thrifted it and missed the arm, which had a hole in it, but I was still able to sell it for $25 with a customer offer. I picked up these Lululemon men's track pants with a bunch of other items from my thrift, and this was the last item that sold, and it sold for a customer offer of $65. I sold this Nicole Paloma sheer tunic, and it seems like this local-ish designer has a lot of edgy rocker type of clothing, and I received tons from a porch pickup, so this was free to me. So this Free People corduroy bag is really nice. I received it in my Jomar unboxing box, so cost of goods was under $10, and the customer accepted my offer of $40 with discount shipping. And you can check out the video link down below of all the items I got in that Jomar box. It's a really good box, and I still have items selling from them. So these North Face hiking boots I thrifted in Nashville, Tennessee around the same time as those UGG boots I picked up the week prior, and this sold really quickly for a customer offer of $55. So I picked up this North Face logo hoodie locally, and it sold for a customer offer of $35. I love Miss Me jeans. I know it's kind of hit or miss for everyone else, but for me, they sell pretty consistently around $50, and I believe I picked this one up in New Orleans, and the customer, she accepted my offer with discounted shipping, and she also left a really sweet love note. So I had these Prana insulated pants for a while. They actually sold twice on eBay, but the buyers never paid. So I was happy to accept a customer offer of $30 on Poshmark. For my eBay sales, I sold this vintage Israel Vibration 1995 t-shirt for a customer offer of $50, and the customer also paid $5 shipping. This was a great little sale. I received this shirt in a wholesale box. I also got to wear it for a little bit, so I really enjoyed this shirt. I'm glad it went off to a new home. So I'm not sure how to pronounce this brand. I think it's Pam and Gela. I don't know. Let me know if you know. But this is a Bolo brand, and I actually picked this up on online arbitrage, and it's sold for a customer offer of $52, and I also received positive feedback. So these North Face knee-high leather boots, I picked these up in New Orleans, and this was the second time selling this exact pair of boots. I sold the other one for about $55 last year on Poshmark, and this one sold for $45 on eBay. There was a little bit of wear, which I disclosed, and I accepted a customer offer, and they also paid for shipping. So this Fabletics bra was new at tags, and I think I picked this up locally. I accepted a customer offer of $39. And I had several other sales on eBay that I unfortunately had to cancel because the buyers never paid. That seems to be a pretty common thing lately, so I'm not sure how to combat that. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment your favorite sale down below. And if you like this video, please smash the like button as well as subscribe for more reseller content. And for behind the scenes and Poshmark tips and eBay tips every Tuesday, follow me on Instagram, brownskin17. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving if you celebrate. And I'm wishing you much luck and wealth in your reselling business. Thank you.